The world of AI-driven image generation is full of new ideas. There are some big players like Midjourney, OpenAI's DALL-E 2, and Stable Diffusion. However, there's been a persistent challenge, creating sharp, clear, and realistic text within AI-generated images. Typography, in the realm of AI generators, has remained a tough nut to crack. Today, we have an exciting solution to share with you. It's a brand new AI image generator called Ideogram AI. This tool promises impressive results, especially when it comes to creating text and logos. Let's uncover what makes Ideogram AI stand out in the fascinating world of AI image generation. Let's start with signing up with Ideogram AI. Go to Ideogram website and choose Sign Up with Google to create your account using your Google credentials. At the top on Ideogram website, we have an input box to enter the prompt. The tool also provides options to select an aspect ratio, giving you 3 choices. You can also see a number of preset image generation styles, including one labeled typography, that really unlocks everything an AI creator would need for developing posters, ads, and company logos. Below that, we see the tabs for Recent, Trending, Following, and Top. It's almost like a social media site for AI creations. In your Profiles section, you'll find all the images you've generated and liked. You can also see the users you're following. Let's create an image. Type in your prompt and select the style. Next, select your preferred aspect ratio and click Generate, and it works like a magic. We asked Ideogram to create a robot sticker with text "I am awesome," and it nailed it. And it's not just short text. We tried longer phrases, and the hit rate was quite good. 3 out of 4 pictures did really well, and 1 was almost right. While not always flawless, the text rendering appears more accurate than other currently available solutions. What makes Ideogram AI truly unique is its creative process. You can remix images to keep the design while potentially improving the text. This feature brings out your creativity in a way that other generators struggle to match. The images you create are yours to use for personal or commercial projects. You can download it or share it with the Ideogram community. Now, you're probably eager to get your hands on Ideogram AI. Sign up, get an access, and start creating. Currently, this tool is in its beta stage and is available for free, but this might change in the near future. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more generative AI content, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.